Wow, it's 3:25 p.m. They started singing for girls at 12. Then it's 3 hours, huh? Is this what you meant for winning the girl power in the Philippines? Because there are Filipina singers in the Philippines, ha 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 ha. Nakato kami sa Calvario. Then, when I get home, tingin kayo. When I get home at 7 or 8 p.m., 3 of those video marathons are ready. Now the total of 4. 3 restaurant coming, 4 kitchen where the girls are going to be ready. Since house time limitless, house are noisy, back of the house is already prepared. 4. We already the same page with the video came out on the weekends. This is the 34th time the video came out on weekends. This is the same page. We're stuck in a book. Ha 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 ha. We're stuck in a book, guys. Let's go.